So after understanding the asexual reproduction and how the genes are transferred from one parent to another, it's time some unanswered questions. Why we always have only one character from one of the parent? Mother and father contributing equal quantity of genes. A mother and a father contributes equal quantity of genes in the form of sperm and ovum. In sperm, there are N chromosomes, and in ovum, there are also N chromosomes. When the quantity of the chromosomes which contains DNA, which contains genes, when this quantity is equal, then why different character is seen? Contribution is equal, then why different trait of the child? A mother is contributing N, father is contributing N goes and it becomes a 2N in the child. When there is equal number of chromosome, why this child shows only one character at a time? This child has both the genes of light complexion and a dark complexion. But this child is only showing the light complexion as of his mother. Where did that dark complexion gene gone? To answer all these questions and one more question, which was, if different character, then what percentage of character will go to the offspring from the parent? What percentage of mother's character will be there in the offspring? What percentage of father's character will be there in the offspring? Is this number fixed? What is controlling this percentage? What is behind this whole mystery? To answer all these unanswered questions, one great, beautiful, cute child is born on 20th of July, 1822. He went in a monastery for education, and then he went on to study science, his favorite subject, and mathematics at the University of Vienna. There, he wanted to earn his living, so he appeared in the examination for teaching certificate, and he failed. Yes, this great person failed in his first examination of teaching certificate. He appeared 3-4 times again, but every time he failed. He thought he will never pass. But this failure did not suppress his zeal, his energy for scientific quest, for scientific curiosity. And then one day he went back to his monastery and started growing pea plants, because these pea plants were available. So he started growing pea plants. You can see the pea plants. He started growing pea plants in his monastery. And he blended his knowledge of science and mathematics together. And he was the first one to keep count of individuals exhibiting a particular character in each generation. He actually took count of every breed he produced. He used to write the characters. He used to write the observation. He was not a scientist. There was no lab. He conducted all these experiments in his monastery garden. This helped him to arrive at the laws of inheritance. And these laws of inheritance helped the whole world to arrive at the mystery of DNA, gene, chromosome. He introduced genetics to the world. This great person, Gregor Johann Mendel, is called as the father of genetics. We will understand and we will study all his experiments, what he was doing in his monastery garden and how he produced the results which no one can think at that time, and why he was called as father of genetics in the coming module.